Welcome to the Meet Your Instructor video. Hi, my name's Jeff Cooper, and I'll be the primary instructor in the Tax Masterclass. So I am an attorney. I am a certified public accountant. I'm a registered investment advisor, and I'm a licensed life insurance agent. I own and run 3 different companies. I have a law firm, a CPA firm, and a financial services firm. So you can check me out. A lot of clients want to know before they start working with me how they can, verify my credentials and things like that. So if you go and Google North Carolina Bar, northcarolinabar.gov, okay? So not the North Carolina Bar Association, but the North Carolina Bar government entity. That is what regulates attorneys, and you can do an attorney search, and you can look up Jeffrey M. Cooper. I live in Asheville, North Carolina. I believe there are 1 or 2 other Jeffrey M. Coopers in North Carolina, but my North Carolina bar number is 39598. Again, that's 39598, and you can look me up and see that I've been licensed since 2009 and have been running my own practice since 2009 as well. I got my Certified Public Accountant's license, or CPA license, in 2010, January of 2010. Essentially sat for and passed both the North Carolina Bar and the North Carolina CPA exam in 2009 in the same year. And I also, have my own accounting firm. So to look my North Carolina accounting license up, you would go to the North Carolina Board of CPA Examiners, and you would look my name up, and I believe I'm the only Jeffrey M. Cooper, so that shouldn't be too hard to find. You can also look me up on FINRA, FINRA, FINRA. That's the registry for investment advisors, and you can look me up there and find my investment advisory information, including my life insurance license, if you want to look at the life insurance registry, okay? So that's a little bit about my licenses. I live in Asheville, North Carolina. I'm married. I've got 3 children, ages 9 to 3. And my passion has always been working with business owners. I absolutely love business. Business is exciting. Every day is different. Every new business owner that you meet brings a interesting and varied perspective to what they do. I have met people, everything from retired astronauts to engineers, other attorneys, doctors, plumbers, bricklayers, manufacturers, and I absolutely love just getting to know them and seeing all the different ways that people come up with helping others for a profit, right? And that's what business ultimately is being able to find a way to solve someone else's problems while making a profit on your own. So that's my passion. That's what I love to do. And I take my experience as a quadruple licensed professional to assist those business owners in legally minimizing their taxes. That's what I love to do. In terms of hobbies, I am currently taking a class learning to play the guitar. I have got my first couple of hours in on my private pilot's license. What else? I love hiking. Asheville's a great, wonderful place to hike and to be outdoors generally. What's really fun is that my partner does not live in Asheville, North Carolina. My partner is just south of Salt Lake City, Utah, and so I also get to go out there and meet my partner every now and again, and love the hiking and the area around Salt Lake City. So there will be another video introducing him, and he will also be one of the other instructors in the course. At any rate, we are so excited to launch the Tax Masterclass. We've been working one-on-one with clients for over a decade now, 12 years. We have been helping them reduce their taxes. I believe our 2020 average was $22,750 was the average average amount of taxes reduced per client. We have some clients that, you know, they're smaller clients, they're just starting out, got small businesses, and we were able to help them save, you know, $5,000-$6,000 in taxes. And then we have other clients, very successful doctors making $2-3 million a year. Some clients that have bigger, larger businesses like healthcare related or you know, furniture businesses, and we were able to save. I think the largest client that we were able to save last year was about $3 million in taxes. So we've got quite a bit of range there, and I am so excited to take all of that information that we've been you know, working one-on-one with clients, condensing it down into the Tax Masterclass, and working with you. So welcome, glad you're here, and I look forward to working with you inside of the Tax Masterclass.